Who knew that making a simple video would require so much stop and start activity? Welcome back, friends. I am Simply Tamanisha, and today we're going to be talking about my shopping trip to Walgreens. Okay, I don't normally coupon with Walgreens. You guys know that I'm in love with Kroger and CVS. I have couponed with Walgreens maybe a very handful of times over the past year, but this year I'm going to be setting some new goals for couponing and stockpiling. I'm going to take you with me on that journey. I promise that I will be ever more present with helping you figure out how to save money. You know, my motto is to stretch every dollar into $5. I believe in that, girlfriend. I don't care if you're on a budget. I don't care if you're rich. I don't care if you have food stamps. I don't care if you whatever your situation is, you can make every dollar work for you just simply by planning and strategizing your shopping trips. So if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. Everyone, I ask you to like this video and hit the notifications button so that it will help me share this information throughout YouTube with other families and friends who are in need of saving money in this difficult economic time. We can all live rich and luxurious on less money and more product. So today with Walgreens, if you haven't done so already, I invite you to check out your app store and grab the Walgreens app and get it all set up. The sale we're talking about today, it ends Saturday on the 27th of February. So you'll want to get that app set up and get your coupon book and your coupons ready so that you can hit the store. Now, right now, I am focusing a lot on paper stockpiling. I like to do that when we are in a surplus at the store. Without being boastful, I will share that I didn't have a need to go shopping when we had Storm Uri because I had everything that is needed pretty much here except for a heater and a power bank that really got stuff going, and that'll be in another video. But I didn't have a need, and so I didn't have to wait in line in the store to meet the needs in my household during a time of crisis, and I'm able to meet my needs in bulk through a savings process of buying it when it's on sale, so that when I need it, I have it, and I'm not forced to pay full price for it. I'm not forced to hunt for it. And friends, let's just be honest. 2021 is shaping up to be far worse than 2020. And if we're sticking with the 20s, I'm thinking of 1929, Great Depression. Everything was a mess. So now is the time for you to put your pen and paper together with your scissors and coupons and get to shopping. So I'm going to start with Walgreens this week. They have a coupon in the app that looks like this. That coupon says you can make 3 transactions, $15 each, and get $5 of Walgreens bucks back. You're getting money back. They don't specify what you have to buy. You just make $15 transactions up to 3 times and get $5 back. You can make transaction 1, get $5, roll that over to transaction number 2, use that against that price point, get another $5, roll that over to price number 3. And then you'll have 1 left over if they'll allow you to do that at the register. Now, I am not an expert at Walgreens as of yet. I am learning and working through it. So I don't know for sure if I need to have $15 as my net total after all discounts, or if it's, you know, $15 gross, and then I'm allowed to take my discounts after that. So when I post the shopping haul, I will update you guys and let you know. But I want to get this video out to you so that you can go ahead and download your app and start downloading your Walgreens digital coupons for what you want to buy. Now, for me, they have a few items in particular that I'm going to be concentrating on. The sale paper has Arm & Hammer laundry detergent and pods. Buy 1, get 2 free. Okay, so That makes them on average $2.33. I usually, you know, they're on sale sometimes at Kroger for $1.99, and then you add one coupon. So, you know, you'd be paying $6 for 3, and I think you can only use one coupon. There they might let you use, sometimes different stores will let you go ahead and use more than one. They're going to be, if they accept it, they're going to be paid for it regardless. But there was some Arm & Hammer coupons in the paper a couple of weeks ago, and then there was also Arm & Hammer on coupons.com. I did check before I started this video. These are not still on coupons.com, and they expire on the 27th, which is Saturday, and today is Thursday. So I'm gonna go ahead and use them. It would be nice if I can buy a set of 3, 1, 2, 3, and they let me take the $3 off, because that's kind of how I did my math. But even if they don't let me take the $3 off and only allow me to use one coupon, so let's just say $6.33 minus the $1, which is $5.33 for 3 of the Arm & Hammer laundry detergents. And so I think that that's still a good deal, especially because you're getting $5 back. So it's kind of like you're getting you're getting those $2 or $3 anyway. The other thing that they have is Tide. The large container of Tide is $2.99 with their coupon, so it's $4.99, and then the sale with the coupon makes it $2.99. And I'm really into the Tide 10 times detergent that they have. It's a disinfectant detergent. It really smells really, really good, and I think a lot of my clothes look brighter. And you know, especially like my face towels and stuff like that, I just have designated some to be for cleaning oils and stuff, because once it gets in the towel, it just looks grody. Even though I only use a face towel and a bath towel once a day, I switch them every day, but it is what it is. I like oils and lotion. They have Scott paper towels, $3.75 for 6 rolls. Scott toilet tissue, $3.75 for 12. Scott paper towels, $3.75 for 6 rolls. Scott toilet tissue, $3.75 for 12 big rolls. And then they have the Snickers on sale. So the Snickers are 99¢, and they're great shopping cart fillers. If you need to add something extra to meet your numbers, if they tell you that you're whatever, it needs to be $15 at the end of the transaction, you can throw these in your cart. There are some coupons that I got off of coupons.com, and they were for the Snickers brownies. So they're on sale for 99¢, and the coupon is 50 cents off too. So I actually have quite a number of these, including for the regular Snickers. Now, I don't really eat Snickers. I like them, but I don't eat them because I'm allergic to peanuts. And every time I eat one, I'm, and, you know, so come to find out, I'm allergic to peanuts. But I was at the store the other day, and I saw that they have Snickers with almonds. Girlfriend eats almonds. I shall be eating Snicker. Okay, so anyway, I have quite a few of those, so I'm going to throw those in there. And then they have the Cheez-Its are $1.79. I have a coupon for $1 off of 2, so that would make them 59¢ each. They have Scott Comfort Plus unscented toilet paper. There are 2 coupons in the Walgreens app for Scott toilet paper. One is $1 and one is $1.25. They have Angel Soft 4 rolls equals 16 rolls. Your toilet's gonna be clogged up, but you're gonna save some money. $3.99 Angel Soft 6 rolls equals 24 rolls. $5.99 plus a $1 off coupon in their app. And then they have M&M's 99¢, and they have a coupon in their app for $1 off when you buy 2. And I might have a coupon for those in my coupon binder. I didn't check, but I will check. I didn't check because sometimes I buy like the M&Ms and I give them to my neighbor's kids to make cookies or whatever. But if they have some M&Ms with almonds, do they make M&Ms and almonds? I don't know. But I'm going to check and see, because I do like chocolate covered almonds. In fact, I like chocolate most when it's covering almonds and prefer not to have it, to be honest with you, if it's not on an almond. Okay, so I'm gonna break this into transactions. If you can see my notes here, I know it's reversed for you guys. I'll try to take a picture of it and then flip it around so you can see it. So I broke this into the transaction of how much I'm expecting to pay, including with coupons, $15.93 out of pocket. So that's not really too bad of a deal for 3 containers of laundry detergent and 2 containers of paper goods, and then a bunch of snacks. I know that when the storm came, you know, you just kind of want to have some good stuff, comfort food, junk food that you can nosh on, you know, while you're wading through the storm. So that's what I'm gonna do. Those are the things I'm concentrating on, and so there'll be different transactions that I do to hit the $15. That way I'm getting maybe a blend of the different things that are on sale that interest me as far as paper goods are concerned, and I'm leaving some still on the shelf for my neighbors. I do like to shop neighbor friendly, right? So that's all I wanted to share with you. I hope this video wasn't really too long, and I'll see you when I finish with my shopping haul. Thanks for watching.